This is an 80-bottle wine cooler made by Kalamera. It's currently available for $650 at Home Depot. Today we're going to be setting it up and discussing its features. Let's get started. Our day begins at the Home Depot Customer Service Center. The attendant helps me slide the fridge into my ride, and it fits like my truck was made for it. The box itself measures 22 inches by 19 by 50 inches.
Driving with this box, it's bouncing a little bit, but overall everything is packed really well, where I don't really hear any glass or anything bouncing around like that.
Now, before I completely remove the fridge from its container, I will drop it in the garage for a visual inspection. At the bottom is a pallet that the fridge sits on inside the box. The box is wrapped around the sides and the top of the fridge. Two white cords hold the pallet to the box. Be mindful the whole time that there's a glass door 4 feet tall. Don't drop this box at any point. Gently lean it and let the weight slowly bring the bottom to earth. Remove the pallet cords to pop off the box. After these are removed, moving the fridge with the box may be difficult. I am just going to open the top of the box to inspect the exterior condition. I'll remove a couple of the styrofoam packing to get a better look at the sides. Any visible rust or scratches would be an immediate indication to return it. The fixtures look great: sharp, reflective metal and clean, matte black body. To move this onto the pallet again, I'm grabbing the handy red rocket straps. The ratcheting motion will make resting the box to the pallet quick and strong. Crack the racket in half and feed the strap through the center horizontal slat, then feed down. Pull the strap till it's hand tight, then begin folding the rocket tips to toes. They lock on each stroke, and once it's done, just tug the whole appliance to feel its balance. To roll the 120-pound icebox, I grab my dad's creeper. As long as the weight is condensed, this could hold most items under 200 pounds. From the garage to the door is 56 feet of uneven transitions from blacktop to slotted sideway paths. With delicate strides and gentle kicks, it makes its way there. Inside, our 12-foot ceilings accommodate the height of the box plus the fridge, and I raise it off like my son's sweater. This is a frost-free, freestanding compressor wine cooler. It measures 19 inches by 52 inches by 22 inches. The vent location is at the top, and the shelving is made of wood. There are 12 adjustable racks. Behind the rubber seal, slide the screw to tighten the handlebar. It features LED light controls and a minimum temperature of 40 degrees. The noise level when tested is 45 to 50 decibels. It uses a normal 3-prong 110 volt outlet. The door is see-through and features UV filtering to protect the wine. This is single zone, and the intention is to keep it at red wine temperature and then keep white wine in the fridge right before we drink it. It does not have a lock, but the door seals super tight. At this point, it's time to crack open a bottle of red. Thank you so much for watching. Come back for the next video.